Hi, my name is Sandra Lee Chandler. I have a Bachelor of Science in Liberal Arts from Arizona State University, majored in home economics, fiber, and marketing. What does that mean? I know everything you want to know about quilting, sewing, fiber, and manufacturing. I've been teaching quilting, sewing, and fabric dyeing for over 30 years. I've taught at the International Quilting Festival in Houston. I've also taught at the Festival of Quilts in the UK and in Quilt Canada at their quilting conference. Here at Saddleback, I teach a quilting class. What are you going to learn during the quilting class? Everything you wanted to know and was afraid to ask. The quilting classes that I teach through Saddleback College are amazing. What makes you happy and want to get to your sewing machine and create those beautiful artworks? I will teach you live and sometimes taped different lessons from my sewing machine all the way to hand stitching. From creating your quilt all the way through how do you care for your quilt. Let's learn wearable arts and let's tell a message. All of this is taught in your semester class. I've had an opportunity to be a Bernina ambassador and an Oroville artisan. So my background with fiber arts goes very deep. I'll be teaching a quilting class this spring. Want you to come along and learn. We've got a book we'll be working on and working through. That's everything about quilting. It's called The Quilter's Diary. Again, I'm Sandra Lee Chandler. Yes, I'm here to teach you everything you wanted to know about quilting and was afraid to ask.